Last time I made a video about how to draw a hot anime guy. Now in this video we're gonna learn how to draw hot anime hair. The thing about it is that it may seem hard, but it's not. I used to think that as well until I realized something. What you're looking at right now is my reference. Yes, that's the dude from Mystic Messenger. His hairstyle is pretty common. But the thing is that his hair is just a bunch of bananas. It's literally layers of bananas. Bananas stacked upon bananas. Keep that in mind when you're drawing hair. So let me demonstrate that to you. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw this type of hair and also this type of hair. And also I'm going to show you how I colored this. So as I said, it's kind of like a bunch of bananas. These bananas are coming from one direction, one point, and it's just branching out. So here I'm doing the draft. So I'm just making confident strokes. So I'm not really getting into detail just yet. It's all about getting the right shape. Then in another layer, I just made it more detailed. I put more spikes. Also, when you're drawing anime hair, it tends to stray away a lot. You can draw hair in different directions, just don't go bananas with it. Get it? Alright, now that we're finished with this drawing, let's draw another type of hairstyle. You can skip out this part if you want to go directly to how I color. This time I first drew his hairline. I just estimated it, okay? There's no exact measurement, you can do whatever you want, just don't make him look bald. So I made a line. This is the line that split his hair into half. And then, again, I'm drawing a bunch of bananas. I'm only going into detail after I made the banana shapes. At the ends, I made it more spiky. There are a lot more spikes because it's the end of the hair, obviously. Alright, so now we're finished with this. Now let's get to coloring. So I first colored the skin. If you want to know how to color it, be sure to watch my how to draw hot anime guy video. But don't leave yet, you have to finish this video. So first I put the base color. I was basically just filling the whole area with the orange color. Also, it's really important to use a reference. I'm not even an expert at drawing hair, let alone coloring it, but since I have a reference, it's much easier. Now, I want you to imagine that there is some light above him. That's our light source. And we're gonna base our shadows onto our light source. Don't forget, the farther it is from the light, the darker it gets. Don't forget that you're shading a bunch of bananas. It's three-dimensional, so treat it like that. And then we're gonna put the highlights. Basically, just highlight the outermost part of the hair. As in, imagine if it were 3D bananas. The shiniest part would be the bananas on top. Because, you know, obviously they get the most light. Then, of course, to make it less harsh, I erased it a little bit with an airbrush. So yeah, that's about it. This is the finished product. Comment below what tutorial you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Stay cool.